Stop fighting the magic ring monster. Here is the best alternative for beginners. Lay the tail down on the table, yarn over the top, pinch your little fingers and put it through the loop and grab the end. Pull through and tighten the slip knot. Insert your hook and tighten further and we're ready to go. Chain, yarn over and pull through. That's one chain and two chains, 3 and 4. We're now going to join it into a circle. So insert your hook into that last chain and slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through both loops. We're now going to chain 1 and 6 single crochet into the loop. Now just make sure we're crocheting over that tail. That's the magic part. So single crochets, insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 1 single crochet. See the tail to the side? And number 2, three, 4, 5, and last one, number 6. Depending on your stitch, you may be doing more than that, but I'm just going to do 6 for this tutorial. Now we have our little tail there. It's got a bit shorter because it's been crocheted over. See how we still have a hole? We're going to close that hole. Grab your tail and pull really tight. It's a lot easier in a thinner yarn, but you can see how the hole is disappearing. And now all we have to do is close our ring and we're going to do a slip stitch. So insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Trust me, it's much easier in a thinner yarn. Okay, there we go. That is our magic ring. One last pull and we're done. We have beaten the monster and created magic.